welcome to Starbucks. Ito guys yung paggawa nila ng kape dito. Ayan o. Magic. Okay. That guy selling octopus, he always smile. That's why he get lots of customers. Did you know, Simon? That is 1 out of 1. Ang social, ang ganda-ganda ng itsura ng lugar. Ang bilis pala rito, sasabihin mo lang tapos bayad agad oh. Mami, sila binili ko, dalawa na yun sa'yo ah. Binito kami ni Simon kapag nasa Parkmart store sila. The Disneyland for Simon, Jordan's Lucky Kid. You get the original one. Jordan signature. This bag is just released yesterday.
I just cracked when I saw the price.
Why?
99 yuan.
Don't worry, you deserve it. You're a good son. You deserve it. Mami, bibili ka ng Pop-Mart ulit?
Mom deserves her Pop Mart. You deserve your motorbike.
I miss my motorcycles. Good morning guys! Another day, another vlog na naman tayo ngayon dito sa China. At ngayong araw dito tayo sa Nanjing Road kung saan mamasyal tayo kasama nila Ken. Dalawang bebe, sila Ella, and sila sa harap. After 1 month, nalagas yung mga dahon ng puno nila. Hey, welcome to Starbucks. The biggest Starbucks in China. Collection ni Ella yung mga cup ng Starbucks. Although, nagaling na kami dito.
11:40.
Okay.
Then 20 minutes to the 25 minutes to restaurant.
Siyempre, mami, hindi ko papalagpasing magkape dito. Starbucks coffee. Ganda, no? Pang collection. Kaiba to, oh. Bilang mo nga ako nito. Kakaiba kasi. Starbucks Reserve Roastery. Pang motor. Yung pwede magasgas. Ito mali ito. 429. Mahal pala siya, no? Pwede pang motor ko, mami.
Hindi. Sige, bibilin ko. Pero kukunin ko din. Di-display ko sa bahay.
Ganda nito. Okay, ikaw na bala magbayad, ah. Ito guys, yung paggawa nila ng kape dito. Ayan, oh. Laki. Galing, no? Sinokis talaga nila kung saan ginagawa yung mga coffee bean. Pero wala ko nakikitang bean. Yung mga paggawa nila ng kape dito. Tinapay. Grabe. Ang laki ng Starbucks na to. I-walk around ko lang kayo at least para makita nyo yung loob ng pinakamalaking Starbucks dito sa China. Hi Max and Mommy taking a photo. Yan. Siyempre hindi lang ito makikita nyo rito. You can order coffee here. Grabe kalaki ng loob niya. Tara tayo sa taas para makita nyo yung buong place. Hi! Hi Miss! Kayo na po kayo nagpipicturan ah. Kala mo mga coffee lover. Ito yung taas niya oh. Ayan, mga machine na paggawaan ng kape. Anong meron dito? Ang bango ng ambience yan. Bango. Ganda. Ayan guys. Oh. Wow. Hanggang doon pa yan. Pag-akit mo, makikita mo yung mga book. Nakapag-order na nga tayo ng kape. Ayan yung kape natin. No? Nilagay na rin sa tumbler. At ito yung kape ni Max.
You have a pangbata.
Galing ah. Yan oh, yung mga kape lumalabas na. Kabilis ng paggawaan ng kape dito. Ay nako, sana magkaroon din tayo ng ganyan.
It's 5 people, but
5 people only. We're 7. We're here. Oh, we're going to eat here. Find your seat, guys. Come on. Bon appetit. Another day, another 80. Oh, wait. Finally, fried hipon. Kababayan, have a seat.
You know, cold is tender, but the accent to make hot. Okay?
Okay. Bago ako, mami muna. Oh, ang cute talaga ni Ken eh. Sa wakas, peking duck oh. Let's eat, let's eat. Ayan, sa kabila sa tag-ikot lang.
Everybody have one piece.
Everybody!
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Shishi! Yon, after namin guys, pumunta doon sa Starbucks and then namasyal lang konti, tapos kumain kami. Ito na ngayon kami sa isang pasyalan dito. Parang lumang lugar. Mapapansin nyo guys. Oh. More on business area na. More on souvenir items. Pwede nyong mabili. Dito yung mga kagaya niyan. Yan, mga yan. Ano, masarap ba? Tigim nga ako. White strawberry. Sarap ba to?
How is it done?
Matamis, matamis. Anong klaseng strawberry yan? Ba't napakatamis? Ito yung hindi namin napuntahan nung pumunta kami dito. Ang ginagawa kong technique guys para hindi kami maliligaw. Pag sinabi ng tour guide namin na let's meet on this area, naglalagay ako ng pinpoint sa mapa ko. 2:40 ng hapon. Pipinutin ko lang yan. Tapos makakabalik na kami sa meeting point namin. Grabe, ang daming nakita dito. Kung mahilig kang mag-shopping, mag-food trip, dito pala yun. Water system nila oh. Maganda sa premium tour na nakuha namin. Hindi kami masyadong na-hassle. They let us na mag-explore din kagaya gaya ngayon. So yan, nakapag-shopping na nga na naman tayo ng isang plato. Ayan, no? Hawak na naman ni Kenkoy ko. Ikot lang tayo. Wala namang mawawala. Pera lang mawawala. Di ba, Hermes? By the way, doon nga pala sa Starbucks sa pinuntahan namin kanina, hindi pala pwede doon yung membership card nyo. So hindi gagana talaga.
Yung alin?
Yung membership card ng Starbucks.
Yeah.
King of Woods. Kung merong King of Water, may King of Woods. Ultraman. Ultraman Saiga. Ultramax. This is one the Ultraman TT with the horn. Clearing the print of Son Goku. This is Piccolo. This one is Son Goku Super Saiyan 2. This is Mami's collection. Squidward. SpongeBob. Monkey King.
Kaya monkey king.
Tingnan, dami niyang mga figurine, Mami, oh. Actually, monkey din kasi si Son Goku, eh. Tapos ito yung legend na Monkey King, kaya nagkaroon ng bundok. Tapos ito yung itsura niya sa Netflix. Ang galing nung pagkaka-sculpture nila, no? Meron kasing Goddess of Pigs din sila. Pero actually, this myth is from Laos na. Monkey the Luffy. Magic. Okay. Ooh! Cool! How did it happen? Can you do it again, Simon? One more time. You don't know how.
Close. Inside.
Inside?
Open.
Open.
Yeah.
Oh, open.
Yeah.
Then gonna put like
Put it
this.
inside.
And then.
Then let go.
So how? There's a trick.
Blow. Ooh.
Whew.
Yeah. Straight. Blow.
Good drop. Blow. You have to twist it. Cool. It's cool. This magic don't work on me. Thank you, sir.
Crazy.
128. 238.
Okay, cool.
Let's try this squid. Patingin natin sa nila. I will teach you how to sell on business. That guy selling octopus, he always smile. That's why he get lots of customers. He love his job. And look at those two. Even though their food is delicious, no one buying on them. Because you know why? Look at their face. They look mad. So how could you buy? How could you sell something if you are not smiling? So that's the power of smile. So when you are selling in your school, always
Smile.
okay, sample. Wanna buy my Mic?
Come down to Micmacs. Come on, people. Come on, people. There's candy here. Come have a look. There's a lot. Come have a look. There's so many. Come on, people. Come on.
Here you're now doing a TikTok. Oh, what's that?
I did not know you guys are here.
Oh, what's that? Coconut. Tignan mo, ang dami na bumibi sa octopus leg, oh. There you go. Oh. Show it to them. Take a photo. Welcome. Look delicious. Yummy. Okay, give it to them so they can try it. I'm gonna show you your Chinese version. Come on, come on. That's you. Oh. Max, it look like you. So hardworking.
It's you.
It's a powder. Mami, ano yan? Very cutesy. Oh, wow. Wow.
It's jelly like that. Yeah.
Tastes so good.
Hold up, hold up.
Oh, tama na, Sai. Tama na, Sai. Tama na, Sai.
Madami.
Good choice, Max. Do you know this cartoon character?
No.
It's Shin-chan. Bigyan mo ko ng baon, Carmen. Ganon. Monkey the Luffy.
Bakit laki naman yung paa? Yo-yo.
Ganon talaga. Ikaw naman. Doraemon. Ang mahiwagang mensahe.
You sound like
Ay, Nobita! Original design. Wow. Look at us in the mirror. Oh, di ba? Mukha bang 40 yan? Yeah, it's a Nazi. So that's why you like it. Did you know, Simon?
How do I know?
That is 1 out of 1.
You know why? It's
This
an
is
original.
original design here. This is the original design, right?
original. Yeah.
Thank you. You just bought a piece of art. Simon, you're lucky you have one. What will you say?
Thank you.
How about the hug?
I already did.
How about the kiss?
I just did.
It should be 3 kiss
Okay.
because expensive.
Yeah.
Oh, that's only 2.
What?
Only 2
I already
kiss.
kissed you.
Family,
You happy?
picture dyan.
Are those Uggs?
Ready? 3, 2,
Strike
1. Almost.
I tried.
Oh, strike! Congrats! Oo nga, ang galing ng mga fish, no? Heart shape sila, no? I don't know, guys, if you see it, parang vegan ng style, no? Original daw yung materials sa mga nakalagay dyan. Tignan nyo, guys, yung mga bato. Ganda ng lugar, no? Chuchal, mami, ganda magpicture dito, ah. Oh, nice color. Wow, this place so cool. Valentino.
Immortals. These are center.
Oh, okay. We have only 30 minutes lang na pasyal-pasyal dito for pictures, photo op, and everything na pwede mong gawin. Ang social, ang ganda-ganda ng itsura ng lugar. Grabe. I like it. Tara, dito sa Peach Blossom. First time namin napunta sa lugar na to. Gusto ko sa kanya yung weather na malamig. Mami, new shoes for daddy. Let's check. Ganda ng material na to ah. Aluminum compost. Oh, ang bilis na makapili ah. Okay. One for me.
Like that?
Oo, okay yan.
Okay to.
Okay din yan ng blue, no? Ganda. Isang tingin mo pa lang, ganda na agad eh, no?
Do you have size 11? Yeah.
Wait a moment, okay.
Nako, alam nyo na size ko, 11. Kaya sa magregalo dyan, alam nyo na, 11. Ngayon, no? Waterproof. Di pa ako nagkaroon ng ganitong shoes na waterproof eh. Check ko muna kung komportable sa paa.
Ang mabigat to.
Let's try it. Simon always stepping on my shoes. Ako na, mi.
Oh, yeah. Wow,
Oh.
it's nice.
Good.
Size okay?
Yeah.
I'll get that.
Ganda, no? Masarap sa paa. Tinapakan na naman. I told you that is your 8th time. 9th time. You step on my shoes.
Because aapakan na naman ni Simon.
It's good, ah. Okay, good. Very convenient. You can pay here already. Galing. Okay, another day, another shoes. Thank you, Mami. Alam ko, may kailangan ka ulit, kaya ganun. Swatch. Mas mahal yung gusto mo. Wow, nice swatch.
The one in the middle?
They have earth?
Yeah, that one in the middle.
Wow, kompleto na, Mami. Ang bilis pala rito. Sasabihin mo lang, tapos bayad agad, oh. Switzerland, doon muna tayo. Walang ganyan, eh, no? Dito pala meron yan. Ito yung bagong dating. Mission to Earth Surface. Mami, sila binili ko, dalawa na yun sa'yo, ah. Oh, yan, Earth Surface. No discount if you buy 2. No discount. Fixed price. Sayang nang walang box sa ganito, no? They don't sell the box. You got the Earth Surface, the green, and the gray one. You have to come back here if you need the warranty. So you have to book another plane ticket from Philippines to China. Wow, congrats. You have to post it in your page. Okay, tag us, okay?
All right. That's okay? All right.
Okay, it's okay. Cheers!
Here.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Diba? Tama yung hinala ko. Ang plano niya, bibilan niya ako, tapos siya naman ang bibili. Ay, nako. Sanay na ako dyan. Anyway, babalik na kami sa bus. Pupunta pa kami dun sa Nanjing Road, kung saan pupunta naman kami sa Pop Mart store in Shanghai. So, dito na naman kami sa, ano ba to? Old version of China. Kaya nyo guys, oh. Wow! Ganda, no? Wala namang view. Natakpan natin yung view. You like my new glasses?
Yes.
I have 3. The clear, black one, and the reading glass. This one is transition lens. It will turn black when it have a sun. Oh, they're trying to find the Pop Mart store. Yo, they have a small Pop Mart store. Wow! Ang dami niyong pinulot, ah. How about you, Max? What do you got? Oh, spider. Si Simon, ayaw niya eh. Man, Simon, this is not our thing. Binito kami ni Simon kapag nasa Pop Mart store sila. We're still on the outside.
I'm not into this.
Same here. Let's just support them. I think they're buying a lot. Tagal nila eh. Yung gold dito, di naman sila kamukha ng gold sa ibang bansa, no? Hindi tumataas ang gold dito. How many Pop Mart nang binili?
3 box. Tapos
3 box?
Hermes.
So 5? Okay.
Yung sa amin, tag-isa kami. Para sa amin.
Pupunta pa kayo sa biggest Pop Mart eh. So di na kayo bibili doon. Naman, I hate China na. Pupunta rito para bumili lang yan. Hindi naman ako nagagandahan talaga. Ay, nako. Ice cream muna kami, guys. Ang sarap ng lakwatsa natin. Enjoy ka naman. Enjoy ka. Importante, masaya kayo.
I want to go to the...
Nanjing Road?
Yeah, the Nanjing.
Yeah. We will go there later. At night. Side. Ganda. Oh, Jeng, it's ice cream. Kakulay ng damit mo. Look at your ice cream, Ken. It's white.
Don't be sad. You have
What?
your ice cream. You have your Pop Mart, and then you're still sad.
Bakit? Sad ka ba?
No.
Ang hirap mo naman pasayahin, Ken.
No.
Kawawa naman maging jowa mo, mahirap kang pasayahin. Taas standard mo masyado, ha? Si Max nga, oh, yung boss mo, oh. Boss, kamusta boss? Yung ice cream mo, may pangalan po, oh. Godiva. Okay, nakalabas na kami dito sa Old China. Ang ganda ng lugar, sobrang peaceful. Nakita nyo, narinig nyo naman siguro sa sounds nila. At nakapamili rin sila ng Pop Mart. Hopefully, hindi tayo mag-shopping ulit doon. Ang dami nilang bitbit, oh. Sana hindi nila mapuno yung buong bus. Akin na yan, mami. Bubuhatin ko yan, kawawa ka naman eh. Angawit ka na eh.
Ganyan ako, may bagong sayo ngayon. Sabi niya. Ganyan.
Hindi ako marunong yan. Halika na nga. Ganda ng araw oh. Leo, give it to me.
It's okay.
It's not okay to me. I feel shy. I'm a shy type person, you know. Very good guy. Leo, the happy lion. Welcome back to Nanjing Road. Let's go to the band.
Yes.
Yo, dito kami sa Jin Milu Restaurant. Jin Milu. Let's go inside. Third floor. Kung hindi ka familiar sa mga kainan nila, medyo malilito ka kasi mga third floor, ganyan. Mataas yung mga kainan nila dito. Lalo tayo, mga Pinoy. Hindi naman mabasa yung mga nakasulat dyan, di ba? So, kailangan pa rin ng tour guide. Yun ang advantage. Dito tayo, Kasha. Are you okay, kabayan? Okay, sige. Dito na kami, kabayan. Third floor. Wow!
Are we in ancient Greece?
Is this Greece?
It's a restaurant very famous.
I believe you. Grabe naman yung kainan na yan. Wow! May chandelier pang ganyan, no? Nice. This would be our table.
拿起来，拿起来，有点拉地板。
Yes, okay. We need to cover it pa like this, oh. Grabe ka social, no? Max, welcome to Greece. It's not Greece, it's Athens. This is tofu port.
Tofu roll.
Kailan pala, kaya pala wala rin cover yung kanila. Kasi ito, pag may dumaan,
Ay, malalaglag.
malalaglag yan. Tama naman. Ating kumukulo sa kalye, di ba? Sarap. Pengi akong soup.
Sabi niya, tiny.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, family picture. Wow. Smile. Thank you. Oh, what happened to your knee? Let's go, guys. Ang ganda ng lugar nila, no? It's so clean. Grabe. Super ganda. It's the real marble? Wow. Real one. Bye-bye, Leo. Leo the lion. Wow. So strong, ah.
Shanghai is different.
Ganda ng building, oh.
This is our post office museum.
Post office.
Was 1942.
1942.
Yeah, used to be the battle. Pudong.
Oh.
You go there, right?
Yeah, that's the bar.
Yeah. So later we go to the riverside. You can see
Okay.
all. This is a nice place. Okay, we approach it.
Noon pa pala, ganyan ka na sa mga anak mo.
Oo naman. The old Shanghai and the new Shanghai.
So many big buildings.
Yes. If you watch my video, dito kami nag-park. Remember, dyan tayo nag-park, oh?
I love Shanghai.
Later we meet here
Okay.
in front of a Peace Hotel. Yeah, of course, because.
Here's the meeting place.
Yeah, here's the meeting place. Come back here 5 minutes before 9. I have enough for you. Let's go straight.
Let's go. My videographer is Watermelon. Come on, let's go, let's go. So many people, look. Let's go.
Wow, look at the buildings. Wow. Look at this
You're
place.
so amazed, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you're complete.
6, 7.
I'm counting the kids.
7. Mommy and Daddy.
Of course. We're here again.
When you was here last month, is it raining or no rain?
Like this.
Good. Congratulations.
Give the best shot. It will be our family portrait. Come on.
Alright, let's make that.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Leo. Okay. Thank you. Love you, guys. You don't have a light. Okay, sarap naman ang kiss. Sarap, priceless yung kiss. Okay, let's go.
Hey.
Look up, Mom. For TikTok. For YouTube.
Yeah.
For YouTube short.
Yeah.
For YouTube. Where's Ken? Ayun na. Where's Max? Yeah, this is Shanghai in Nanjing Road.
Oh.
Loko din talaga eh, no? Inihuli talaga yung highlights eh.
Yung?
Highlights ng shopping, dito talaga yun eh. Pinag-shop-shop pa kayo sa iba, meron naman dito, no? Now, he found his place. The Disneyland for Simon Jordan's. Tumakbo na agad dun, no? There it is. I think that's a different one. Only one?
It's the latest size 10.
Yeah. Simon, it's only one.
That's right.
And you got one. Wow. Wow.
Michael Jordan.
Lucky kid. You get the original one. Wow. Jordan signature.
Si Ken din daw gusto niya.
Get whatever you want. Bigyan mo.
Is that good? I don't know.
Yeah, I like it.
You like that size?
Yeah.
How much is that cost?
1399.
It's okay. It's
What size is that?
size 10.
You're getting bigger, Simon. You're gonna grow big pa.
I know. That's why I choose a bigger size.
Congrats, dude. Also si Ken. Nakapagaya na.
What size you are, anak? 8
Lucky kid naman yan si Ken.
9.5 is the last pair.
How about si Max? How about you?
This is a bag.
Are you sure? Buti pa si Max talaga, practical eh. Hindi niya kailangan ng maraming sapatos. Bag lang ang gusto niya.
I've already caught a new pair for you.
High five, brother. Congrats.
Ready to go back to school.
Wow, you have a nice bag.
I gotta choose another color.
White is better.
Mas maganda yung tela niya. Kasi
Okay. This bag is just released yesterday.
What? I don't need a shoe. 'Cause I already have a blue shoe.
Yeah.
I don't have my blue shoe and bring this.
Wow, you okay, Max?
I just cracked when I saw the price.
Why?
99 yuan.
It's only 8,000 pesos. For this beautiful piece, 8,000? It's cheap. You look at the quality. It's nice. Look at the zipper. It's just like my Louis Vuitton. See? Oh, don't worry. You deserve it. You're a good son. You deserve it. If you're not a good son, I won't buy it for you. I'm happy for you. Look at your brother. Simon, you like it? Wow! Oh, you jumped so high. Come here. Can I see?
I deserve that. I deserve that. I deserve that.
I am the first one who step on your shoes.
Okay.
Okay?
I deserve that.
My shoes is clean. Don't worry. Let's go. Okay, let's pay. Ken, can you fly?
No.
But Jordan said we all fly. We all fly. Once you leave the ground, you fly. Some people fly longer than others. That's Michael Jordan. This the shoes that makes you happy. I work hard to make you happy, guys. And that's your bag. Congrats. I think I can put my power bank there. Okay. Now you have something on your bag.
First thing in my bag, a
Yeah.
power bank.
Okay, thank you again. Thank your mom.
What do you mean I didn't buy anything? Thank you. My bag.
Oh. You're welcome.
No, don't remove it.
No, don't remove it. If you remove it, your shoes will be fake.
Okay, okay.
Thank you. Bye, Jordans. Thank you for making Simons happy. Kanina, masaya yung mga boys, yung tatlo. But now, Hermes and Sai, they're happy because they see that you already buy your Pop Mart, so stop buying na.
I don't have my Pop Mart.
Mami, bibili ka ng Pop Mart ulit?
wala pong binili.
Bumili ka kanina.
Sila kayo na yun.
Sila bibili ulit yan.
Hindi ako lang.
Yung sa'yo, 4 na binili nyo kanina eh. Oh. Max, sasabihin ni Mami, you always buying motorcycle. Always buying the motor. Now he's buying Pop Mart. Win-win, Max, di ba? Oh, when we go back to Philippines, I will buy another motorcycle.
Nakakanwa na sabi niya.
It's okay. I deserve it.
I slept on the shoes a lot.
Mom deserves her Pop Mart. You deserve your motorbike.
Yeah, I deserve it.
Even.
Your mom is very happy, oh. Again, you go back to China just to visit again the Pop Mart. How dare you? Oh, ayun na naman, oh. Daming Pop Mart dito. There's a Pop Mart there.
And there's
a
a
Pop
Pop
Mart
Mart
there. So many Pop Mart. Ah, there's a restroom, I see.
Oh, I see.
Just beside the Pop Mart store.
Pop Mart.
Oh, there naman tayo, oh. Last month lang, nandito na eh. Ngayon, dito na naman, oh. Okay. Yo, nakapamilya na naman ang Pop Mart, ang aking pamilya. So, yun ang maganda dito, guys. Planong ginawa namin. After namin dito sa pag-shopping namin at pag-gala namin sa Najing Road, didiretso na kami sa airport at 9 o'clock ng gabi. Let's see, kung ano pa yung maaga natin. Total, medyo maaga pa. 7 o'clock pa lang ng gabi. Still have 2 hours left para mamasyal dito sa lugar na to. So, enjoy muna natin, di ba? Look at that. Yun, kalabas din. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, let's go. Doon yung hotel namin lang last time. Doon sa dulo. The Crown Hotel is just there. We could be here every night. Are you happy? You guys happy?
Yeah.
Dito sa Najing Road, meron din silang mga street food dito.
This is the place where you give back the food.
Yeah, you wanna try it? Oh, nice light. We have plenty of time pa to spend here. Hintay lang namin mag 9 o'clock. After 9 o'clock, tatakbo na kami sa airport with our bus and then go back to Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, I miss my motorcycles. How is it? Guys, tignan nyo kung gaano kadaming street food dito. So many street foods. Hindi ka makugutom dito eh. You happy?
Ano yan? Yung
Going back to Philippines.
It's our private bus. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go to our private bus. Good thing we don't fool your bus. We're complete.
Sounds like $2.
Okay, good evening.
晚上好，
晚上好. Good afternoon.
中午好，下午好，
下午好.
早上好
Tagalog word is thirsty. 下午好.
下午好。
下午好. Goodbye.
Everyone miss you. I probably miss you. I send you all my love every day in the night. See you in the summer.
Dan,
Okay,
dan,
thank you
dan,
so
dan,
much.
dan. Yay! Round of applause!
Hopefully everybody healthy, wealthy, and wise.
Thank you for sharing your culture to us.
It's my great honor. So here, hi, bye bye, Pop Ma, bye bye.
Look at you. You have lots of luggage. Come on, let's have a race. faster than you guys. Come on, family.
We're gonna use a bag.
Are you gonna fly?
No. I'm gonna take the subway and then take the DD.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go. Either way, come on. Let's go, Salmon.
注意脚下安全，照看好老人和小孩。
Delayed na naman. I sleep well. Okay guys, uwi na kami ng Maynila.